Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can move or reposition a table in your notes on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So let me use this example test page here inside my Microsoft OneNote account. And what you want to do, guys, is insert a table first. So if you don't know how to do this, there are two ways how you can do this. Click anywhere you like here on your note. Select insert and choose table here on the very left hand side. Click into the drop down menu and select the dimension of your table, or here simply on your note right click, hover your mouse over table and choose insert table and add the number of columns and rows. Now once it has been added, you will see that box around the given table if you hover your mouse over the table, and if you hover your mouse over the upper border or top of the table, you will see the cursor changing its appearance to this. So click into it to select the entire table, not only specific rows, columns, or cells. And now hold your left mouse, left click, and move it to a new position without changing any of the dimensions, rows, columns, and so on and so forth, and move it here to its new position, to the right, to the left. And as you can see, in this case, if I move the table to the right, the note will also be the height and the width of the page will be changed as well, or of the note. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.